Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to create tags and how to add tags to records in ServiceNow. So let me show you with one example. Here type as tags. See here under system definition select these tags. So first we will create one tag. After that we will add the tag to records. So currently the name of this tag is test tag. So the owner is system admin and type is standard. Let it be. And here viewable by everyone. Save this record. Now let's open the incident records and problem records as well. So we will add these tags to incident record and problem record. So select any one of the record here. And here click on these three dots. Here you will be able to find add tag option. Click on that. And here type your tag name which you have created. So test tag, right? So select this test tag and save this record. So we will add this tag to problem table as well. Sorry, for problem record as well. Select any one of the problem record. Click on these three dots. It's still loading. Yeah, click on add tag. Type as test tag and select this test tag option. And let's save this record as well. So this is how we can create tags and add the tags to records in ServiceNow. So let's click on all and type as tags here. Here select this my tag documents available under self-service. So here click on this show global tags option. See here, once you check that, here you will be actually able to see the tags which you have created. So this is the tag, right? Test tag which we have created. So let's click on this test tag. See, once I click on this test tag, we will be able to see the records where the tag is actually is tagged. So here for these two records, right, we have tagged the tags which we have created. So see, this is a problem table. So see, this is a problem record which ends with 01. See, 01. And this is the incident record which ends with 62. See, 62. So these are the two records where the tag is actually tagged. So this is how we can create the tags and add the tags to records in ServiceNow. I hope this video will help you how to create tags and how to add the tag to records in ServiceNow. If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.